How to log in Sprint account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for Sprint login. Soon after searching for it, you'll be able to see the first option, My Sprint Login to Profile. So you have to simply click on that. After clicking on that, you will be displayed with the text boxes. So in the first text box, you need to enter your username, and in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your Sprint account. If you forgot your username or password, then you can ask for help, where you will be helped to recover your account. And after doing that, you can go for submit, and by submitting you will be directly logged in into your account. So by following this simple step, you can log in Sprint account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.